Every day, millions of people scroll through TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram looking for quick financial advice. A flashy thumbnail, a confident voice, and suddenly, someone you've never met is telling you which stock to buy, which crypto will moon, or how to double your money in a week. But here's the scary truth. Most of these so-called financial influencers, or Finfluencers, are not licensed advisors. And in 2025, the stakes have never been higher. So, are Finfluencers helping people get rich? Or are they actually leading millions into financial traps? Let's uncover the dark side of Finfluencers. Your heart beats faster. You think, what if he's right? You transfer $500 you saved for months. And in just a week, that crypto crashes. This isn't a story about one unlucky person. This is happening to millions of people every single day in 2025. And the people behind it? They're called Finfluencers. But are they financial heroes democratizing knowledge, or wolves in designer suits waiting for the next victim? Let's uncover the dark side of Finfluencers. Finfluencers are financial influencers who share investing, trading, and money tips on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. They're booming because finance used to be boring. Big textbooks, Wall Street jargon. Now it's quick, flashy, entertaining. A study in 2025 showed 70% of Gen Z investors say they learn more from TikTok and YouTube than from school. But here's the twist. Popularity doesn't mean credibility. Behind the cameras, some Finfluencers are changing lives, while others are destroying them. Point 1. The illusion of expertise. Meet Ryan, a 22-year-old TikToker who posts videos from his Miami penthouse teaching secrets of stock trading. His videos get millions of views. But what followers don't know is that Ryan never worked in finance. His penthouse is an Airbnb he rents for a few hours. His real income? Sponsorships from shady trading apps. Many Finfluencers don't have licenses, qualifications, or accountability. They look confident because confidence sells. A 2024 SEC report revealed that over half of trending finance content on TikTok had factual errors or misleading claims. Confidence is not competence. Just because someone sounds smart doesn't mean they are smart with your money. Point 2. Conflicts of interest. In 2024, dozens of YouTubers promoted a new crypto coin called MoonX. They promised it would make early investors millionaires. Thousands poured in. Within weeks, the coin's value collapsed to zero. Later investigations showed those influencers were paid in tokens before promotion, then dumped them while followers were still buying. Many Finfluencers earn through affiliate links, sponsorships, and paid promotions. Their priority is often their wallet, not yours. Pump and dump scams rose by 120% in 2024, fueled largely by influencer hype. Point 3. Emotional manipulation. Sarah, a 19-year-old student, followed an influencer who said, "If you invest today, you'll be free tomorrow." The influencer always showed luxury cars, big houses, and dream vacations. Sarah invested her student loan. Within months, she was in debt. Psychology behind it. They trigger FOMO, fear of missing out. They glamorize success with rented cars, houses. They use urgency tactics. Last chance? Only today? Before it's too late? Takeaway: finance should be about patience and discipline. But Finfluencers make it about speed and emotions, two things that destroy wealth. Point 4. The hidden benefits. Not all Finfluencers are bad. Example: a small YouTube channel teaching budgeting helped thousands of families reduce debt and save money. Another influencer taught side hustles that actually worked for young people. Finfluencers have made finance accessible. They inspire young people to think about investing earlier. A 2025 survey showed millennials and Gen Z are investing at double the rate compared to 2015, thanks to social media education. But for every honest educator, there are dozens of get-rich-quick sellers waiting to trap you. Point 5. How to protect yourself. 1. Research the influencer. If they claim millionaire status, ask, where's the proof? Example. Some influencers faked brokerage screenshots to look rich. 2. Follow the money. Are they being paid to promote this stock coin app? Example. A TikToker recommended a trading app that secretly charged hidden fees. 3. Never invest emotionally. If someone says, don't miss out, that's a red flag. 4. Learn the basics yourself. Read books, follow multiple sources, and remember, no one cares about your money as much as you do. So, are Finfluencers helping or hurting? The truth is, they can do both. Some are genuine teachers making finance simple, but many are entertainers chasing views, not your financial freedom. Here's my advice. Use Finfluencers for inspiration, not for instructions. At the end of the day, financial freedom doesn't come from a stranger's TikTok. It comes from your own knowledge, discipline, and patience. If this opened your eyes, share it with someone who blindly follows Finfluencers. And for more real financial insights, hit that subscribe button. Because unlike hype, we're here for the truth.